Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE to organize your college festivals, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to create an event on UPBASE. You'll find the Create Event button at the top right corner. This step is critical because it's where you'll input all the crucial details about your festival, like date, time, and venue. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step. Next up, we're going to add activities. You'll find the Add Activity option under the event you just created. This helps us because it allows us to line up every activity happening during the festival. You can specify the activity's name, duration, and location. This step is essential to keep everything organized and ensure no two activities clash with each other. The third step is to add participants. Click on the Add Participants option and invite people to your event by entering their email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure that everyone involved in the festival, from coordinators to volunteers, stays in the loop and has access to the event details. Once you've added the participants, it's time to assign roles. Just click on a participant's name and you'll see the Assign Role option. Assigning roles to each participant is necessary because it clearly defines everyone's responsibilities and helps avoid any confusion. Now let's look at the final step, setting reminders. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Reminders option. Here, you can set reminders for different activities. This helps us because it ensures that no activity is missed or delayed. You can set reminders for a few days, hours, or even minutes before the activity. That's it. You've now organized your college festival on UPBASE. The beauty of this platform is that it keeps everyone on the same page and ensures your event runs seamlessly. Remember, organization is key when planning a big event like a college festival, and UPBASE is here to help you with that. Thank you for joining us today. Keep organizing, keep celebrating, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.